Lisa with WTI, and I want to tell you why I love my Conair detangler comb. Never have I used it in my 30-some years, and I just started like 2 years ago. I love it because I have long hair. It's very fine, so it gets very tangled. Right after I jump out the shower, I detangle it with this, and I have no pain anymore. I've been amazed. It's such an easy comb to carry around when you're traveling. I never leave it behind. And something I also like is that you're gonna see from close up the material. It's thick, even though it's plastic, it's very durable. If you see, I cannot even bend it and I'm using strength. So this is a wonderful, very inexpensive item you need if you have very tangled hair. I love it and I know you will too, and that is just my point of view.